Our comprehensive CRM solution for the manufacturing industry enables you to seamlessly integrate your sales, service, and marketing efforts to establish long-term relationships with your customers and expand your business. Our CRM system allows you to automate your workflows, gather inquiry data from various sources, and transform them into high-quality leads. With Pardot's landing pages, you can create lead capturing pages, track engagement, and automatically alert sales teams for follow-ups. Its AI-powered technology assists sales representatives in targeting the right prospects with intelligent lead scoring and recommended actions to increase conversion rates. Its sales automation system helps inside sales teams quickly and efficiently call or email potential customers, streamlining the sales process while maintaining best practices. In case prospects are not ready to purchase, the system allows representatives to add them to pre-built or personalized email campaigns to nurture leads and monitor engagement. Salesforce Sales Cloud provides clear visibility of the opportunities in the pipeline, enabling reps to access the needed information at the right stage to obtain new business or resume existing contracts. The Salesforce mobile app enables sales reps to access all relevant customer information while cooperating across teams on customer requirements or evaluating customer specifications with engineering. Our configured price quote solution assists sales representatives in identifying the appropriate products, services, and discounts, generating faster, more accurate quotes that improve margins. Partner Relationship Management expands workflows to channel partners, enabling you to onboard and train them, collaborate as a team, and sell as one unit. Service partners and field service technicians can manage cases, warranties, and work orders, improving customer satisfaction. Sales reps can obtain real-time dashboards on sales and marketing performance right out of the box, qualifying them to make better decisions. CloudCash Consulting, an official Salesforce partner you can rely on. Decades of experience in CRM consulting and implementation. Featured among top Salesforce consultants by Clutch. Extensive industry experience in real estate, education, healthcare, manufacturing, technology, banking, finance, logistics, retail, etc. We focus on commitment. At CloudCash Consulting, we are committed to delivering top-notch cloud solutions and exceptional customer service to our clients. Communication. We strive to maintain open and transparent communication with our clients throughout every stage of their projects. Cooperation. With a focus on teamwork and collaboration, we help our clients achieve their business objectives through the power of cloud services.